What's up everybody, welcome back here on the channel. Today we're gonna take a look at some highlights of the Hot Wheels 2024 N case. But before we do that, a few words about this year. I have to say it wasn't the best year for Hot Wheels mainlines in my opinion, especially if you compare this year to the years before. I mean, we've seen some good castings here and there. We've had a pretty good case. I think it was the G case that had some cool stuff in it. But all in all, I have to say it was pretty meh. Bottom line is, I saw some previews for 2025 and I have to say, I think it's getting worse. I saw a lot of really strange looking fantasy models and a lot of these, let's say, US cars. Don't get me wrong, nothing wrong about US cars, but there's a lot of stuff like this. I mean, about this model here, because of its livery, and this thing does look cool, but if you have too much of that stuff, in my opinion, it's not really good. And there's stuff that's more extreme than this guy here. What I wanted to say is, I don't know what I wrote in the video title. I don't want to sound too over dramatic, but maybe these are some of the last, let's say, okay cases or good castings, good cars. I don't know. Whatever. And with that said, let's get into our unboxing, and I would say let's get started with a new casting. And yeah, this one is pretty nice. This is the Porsche 911 Rallye. There we go. I think this guy here does look pretty good. I think the wheels match the whole model. We got some pretty nice livery on this guy, some nice headlight details, the Porsche badge, and you know that yeah, basically this is the Rothmans deco that we had, I don't know, in the 70s or 80s on race cars. This thing you're seeing, rough roads, Porsche for sure. And yeah, we also get some cargo here on the top. Once again, this is so annoying. I mean, look at the windshield. So often these things come with a huge scratch on them. Yeah, but I think this thing here looks pretty good. Livery is nice. So yeah, gray base, by the way. Yeah, there we go. Let's put this guy into the parking lot. And I would say let's go on with this guy here. This is the, as you can see, this is the regular treasure hunt of the end case, and this one is looking really good. The DMC Deloran. You know, I'm trying to get all the regular treasure hunts this year for a video, and so far it looks so good. And this is definitely one of the best, maybe the best. This guy does look nice. So we get, yeah, kind of bare metal. Here we have the flame here on the side, some mint deco stripes on the side. It's DMC gray wheels, nice details on the back. So yeah, a really nice treasure hunt. Into the parking lot, and we go on. Let's go on with the Nissan Skyline GTR. This is the R33 Godzilla, and yeah, this thing looks really good. This is a really nice livery, some kind of flat metallic gray. Yes, that's how you can describe that. Love the black wheels. We got some details on the back, even a GTR. Oops, sorry. Let's bring you back. GTR license plate. And of course, our Godzilla logo or Godzilla deco here on the side. No deco on the front, unfortunately, but the rest is really nice. This looks pretty clean. And yeah, very, very crisp, the deco. Of course, we have seen this thing here in white, which was also pretty cool. So yeah, these guys look really good next to each other. We also had the, I think this is the R32, also with some kind of Godzilla deco. Yeah, a nice one. Then, yeah, this is something maybe a little bit controversial because some people might say, okay, this is not really a Hot Wheel, so this is a key fob. In my opinion, this is really cool and definitely one of the highlights from this year. For me, this is kind of a little piece of art. Looks really nice. A Porsche key fob. And yeah, I really like this color combination. Looks really good. So this has like a ceramic look to it. This looks really, really cool. And by the way, this whole thing is made out of metal, and of course, we had the first version. Yeah, I have to say, normally I don't do that, but I bought a bunch of these because I really, really like this thing here. Looking so good. By the way, on the one side it's saying Hot Wheels, on the other side it's saying Porsche. Pretty nice. So, next one up is also a new casting. If I am correctly, the Lamborghini Huracan Sterrato. So this is kind of an off-road Lamborghini or something. Yeah, I don't know. I'm not a huge fan of Hot Wheels Lamborghinis. I don't know. Sometimes they look really weird. On this guy, I'm pretty happy that they didn't put some huge wheels in the back because Hot Wheels likes to do that. Yeah, as you can see, there's a lot of ground clearance, so yeah, go on. A little bit off-road, I mean, definitely not an off-road. I don't know what, for me, this type of car doesn't really make sense. It looks strange. 63, by the way, that's the year when Lamborghini was founded. Some nice details here on the front, and once again, a huge scratch on the windshield. I don't know. Anyways, next one up. Recolor for the King Kuda, first version in white. I'll show you in a second. Now in red with gold interior and gold rims. Oh yeah, so there we go. As you can see, the Queen of Hearts on the one side and the King on the other side. Yeah. I mean, I think I wouldn't buy this casting if it didn't come in this pretty nice livery. Here is the white version. I mean, this is a pretty cool pair. Also the gold and the silver interior. Yeah. These two do look pretty nice next to each other. Then we have a model I kind of bought accidentally because I didn't have my glasses on and I thought this was a new casting. But when I looked a little bit closer, I saw that the Hover Storm is from, let's take a look at the base, 2014. So this is a pretty old casting, but haven't seen it before. Yeah, kind of a hovercraft on wheels. And yeah, I think it doesn't look too bad. The chrome details, that's nice. I'm not sure about brown on the base, burned the brown wheels, but anyways. Another recolor for the Donut Drifter. Yeah, I mean, a lot of cars don't like these fantasy cars, and I have to say there are a lot of fantasy cars from Hot Wheels that I don't like, but there is some stuff that has grown on me, and the Donut Drifter definitely is a casting that I like. Really cool color combination in this case, in my opinion. It's a nice casting. So yeah, let's put our Donut Drifter in the parking lot. Then recolor for the Porsche 904 Carrera GTS in red. Yeah, as far as I've seen, normally, you know, Porsches are pretty popular here in Germany, here in my area. This thing, I guess a lot of people don't know this Porsche. And also the first version in silver gray was pretty easy to find. But I have to say that the silver version looks a lot better. I don't really like the red version. What I do like is that we get kind of lensed headlights. These are part of the window piece for sure, but yeah, looks nice. So, 2 models left. And then this is the 87 Audi Quattro, now in black. So yeah, Audi also pretty popular, as you can guess, here in Bavaria, and this is a nice casting. I really like these fading rings. By the way, unfortunately, we don't get any details on the back because we have our rings on the side, and then we get some pretty crisp details on the front and even a Quattro license plate. Yeah, this one's nice, and once again we have a nice scratch on the windshield. And there is one more model left, recolor for the BMW M3 Wagon, now in red. With these what is that, copper bronze wheels, I don't know. Yeah, this one looks pretty nice. So we have a red and blue version. This was the debut version. Once again, also a highlight of this year. One of the few highlights of 2024. Yeah, I mean, while I'm putting the rotator to the side, I mean, you can write in the comments down below what you think about this year. Maybe you think this was a great year for Hot Wheels, and maybe I am wrong. I don't know. I'm interested in that, and as always, at the end of these videos, I'll pick a favorite, and well, it's pretty hard. I really like the recolor of this Porsche Keyfob, but I would say it's this guy here. Porsche 911. Rallye, nice deco. Yeah. And that's all there is. There you have it, my unboxing of the highlights of the Hot Wheels N-Case of 2024. Thank you for watching. Happy hunting and see you next time. Bye.